I was told this early on in business, which I think is an absolute mistake. And that is, hey, listen, just go find successful people, ask them that you'll pay for lunch, you'll take them out, and they'll share with you all of the things that they've done to grow their business. I can tell you that rarely, if ever, worked. All right, today I want to share with you how you connect with influential business owners. There's really a skill and a tactic to this, because if you don't do it right, you risk getting that one shot, that one opportunity. Listen, over the years, I've been able to connect with professional athletes, musicians, successful business owners, TV celebrities, etc. And the reason I've been able to do that is I've been real specific and genuine in my networking skill set. And I want to share with you some of the things that it takes to connect with those people. The first thing is I need to identify who my ideal customer is. As soon as I know and can identify and target who my ideal customer is, like I can describe them exactly to you, what we're going to go next level on is ideal connector, right? These are the people who have the eyeballs, the ears, the connections to the people who are your ideal customers. And when I say make a list of 20, and I always call it my top 20. What that really means is I'm probably making a list of 100. There's other people call it the Dream 100. The others, like they're creating a list of 100 people that they want to connect with. So I create my top 20 list. I went through, and particularly on my Instagram, this was just a little tip that I did. I went through and I kind of unfollowed everyone that wasn't in that 20 to 100 list. When I am checking my social media and I am seeing the stories and the updates and the posts, it's all from the influential people I want to follow. So I'm up to date on what they're doing and where they're at and who they're connecting with. And knowing who they are and what they're doing is so important to the tactical skills of what you're going to do next. These are busy, successful people. They don't know me. I don't have a connection with them. They're not going to just take me to lunch because I offered to pay for it. They could pay for their own lunch, right? I need to learn to bring value to them. There's so many experiences. These are things I'm doing right now. There's a couple of musicians that I would love to have sing or perform at our upcoming event next year. So I'm already reaching out and finding ways to provide value to them. There are upcoming speakers that I would love to have at our event. I'm finding ways to connect and reach out to them and add value. So for example, right now, there's this thing called an employee retention credit that gets people who have W-2 employees tax dollars back for retaining their employees during COVID. So think about it. If I could reach out to you and say, hey, I know I don't know you very well, or if at all, I just did a free webinar on how to get people back employee retention credit with my friend. He did the webinar. I'd like to just send it to you. I don't want anything from you. I've been able to do that, and people are getting money back from the IRS. And they're like, man, dude, why'd you do that? What's in it for you? Nothing. I just wanted to provide value to you. If nothing ever happens, fine. They made money on it. They're better off, but they see me as a valuable asset to them now because I'm connecting them to either people or things that brings value to their business. If you're not doing that and you're just looking for what you can get, you're going to bark up the wrong tree. People, especially successful people, they sniff that out right away. They know, they can see that coming a mile away. So you have to be able to look at it and say, where's the valuable thing that this person needs? So when you're listening to their social media, listen to the things they're saying, listen to the things they're doing. And Gary Vee talks about this in his book. He wrote a book called Jab, 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 Right Hook, right? Or Jab, 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 Hook. And it's you throw a jab of value, you throw the jab of value, you throw the jab, and then you throw the right hook, which is your offer or the ask that you have, right? So I know that I want to ask some of these people to do things for us, but I'm offering value first, jab. Offer another bit of value, offer another bit of value, another value, and then throw the ask. So adding value is the most critical piece, and having a system for follow-up is so crucial. In fact, here we're working on a whole platform we can add to support entrepreneurs in their follow-up value because it's that important. So for example, if you're a brand new business and you have some product, some widget, something, you have something that you're offering the marketplace. It's pens, right? It's a pen. And who needs pens? And who has the influence over people who need the pen, right? Now I'm going to go offer value to those people, I might do a podcast and interview them. And then at the end, when they say, hey, is there anything I can do for you? Oh, well, I'm glad you asked. If there is, hey, I offer pens. If you know your people would ever need that, would you please, let people know I offer pens? Oh, sure thing. No problem. You don't have to overcomplicate it. I've been able to do this with hundreds of people, if not thousands, across the globe who promote master networks or other products or services just simply because we've built a relationship with them. This is the key to building valuable connections and networks. This network, by the way, will insulate you through tough times. So if you're not building a network and you're just simply selling the next product to the next product to the next product, I promise you that's a game you will burn out, blow out, or rust out unless you're building your network to insulate and grow your business. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe and like this. If you'd like more content on this, go ahead and look at some of our other videos on this channel, and I can't wait to see you on our next video.